I'm Dalyce. I'm the social worker on the Child and Adolescent Inpatient Psychiatric Unit at Southlake.
And my name's Amanda. I'm one of the child and youth counselors / crisis workers here on the unit as well.
So today is Pink Shirt Day, which is a day to raise awareness for anti-bullying campaigns. Something that we've really noticed in the past 2 years, it's unprecedented times with this pandemic. Everybody has faced some level of social isolation, kids included. We were already seeing a trend towards online bullying, cyberbullying, which is of course intensified, with the world sort of moving online. However, I would say at the same time, we've also noticed just a general awareness, an increase in awareness in schools and society in general about anti-bullying efforts, and that kids and families are really becoming more educated about bullying and what we can do to prevent it.
Okay. One of the things that I wanted to share that I noticed in my interactions with the youth that I meet with here and down in the emergency is kids aren't necessarily going to verbalize that there's a problem. They're not necessarily going to come out and tell you that they're being bullied. Sometimes through behaviors and changes in how they're presenting may give a sign that something's not quite right. But I often hear from kids that they just don't want to create drama, or they're not sure how to approach people about they're struggling with someone bullying them. Or they feel like maybe they have tried to reach out and nothing's been done about it. So I think it's really important for parents and adults supporting these kids to work hard to keep lines of communication open and to check in regularly with kids to see how things are going. And again, if you notice changes in behaviors and how they normally go through their day, mood, that sort of thing, it could be a sign that something's not right.
Yeah, and I think that going off of that, something that we can all do just in terms of keeping lines of communication open, as you said, Amanda, just having check-ins with your kids. It can be a simple, tell me how your day was, tell me something that made you happy, tell me something that made you sad, and that can start a conversation where you might notice that your child is either being bullied, maybe is bullied themselves, or a bystander in some way, and it leads to those teachable moments where we can, really start to educate our kids more about the topic.